Hi there. Welcome to my Excel tutorial channel. I hope you will find my Excel tutorial clip is helpful. Please feel free to click to like, to share with your friends, or subscribe my Excel tutorial channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to paste of a single data to multiple cells on Excel. In this Excel tip, we'll show you a quick and easy way to use the Ctrl+Enter keyboard shortcut to save time with entering data or formulas. Now, let's get started. Let's say you want to entering data or a formula in a cell, and have multiple cells selected. Ctrl+Enter will copy the data/formula to all of the selected cells. In this example, we want to use Ctrl+Enter to fill all the selected cells with random numbers using the rand between function. This saves time from having to copy/paste or fill down and across. Here are the steps to perform the Ctrl+Enter shortcut on multiple cells. 1. Select a range of cells. It does not have to be a contiguous range. 2. Type data or a formula in the active cell. 3. Hold down the Control key and press the Enter key. 4. The data/formula is copied to all selected cells. Voila! You have successfully pasted the formula on the multiple cells. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. See you in my next clip.